Hello, my name is Catriona Elisa Magnain Gray, Philippines! No, just kidding. My name is Elvie. Welcome to Elvies Family and Travel. Good morning, everybody! So today it's about Fabfitfun. So we're gonna open this. It's fall season. That's why I'm wearing orange. Because magfa-fall season naman. Welcome to my channel! We're gonna open box today. I'm very excited. Ayan na. Di na natin patatagalin. Thank you guys, by the way, for subscribing on my YouTube channel. Oh, while I open this one, guys, there's so many of you asking if I'm related to Melai. So yes, I am related to Melai. My dad and Melai's grandma ay magkapatid. So Melai's mom is my first cousin. So parang auntie na rin pero parang second na. Malayo na pero still a family, di ba? Blood related. So kaya if you saw her at the very end of my video and asking you to subscribe on my channel, yes, I asked her to do that and she did it for me. So me and Melai are relatives. So ito na-open ko na. First is the, ayan. Babasahin ko ito mamaya. Kasi dito, it will tell also how much it costs, the regular price. So, okay. Ayan na. More papers, which I don't really care about that. Just there. Ayan! Ano kaya unahin ko? Gusto ko ito, parang sugar. Nakita niyo ito, guys? It says, Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Oh, sugar. It's a juice cleanser cube with you in the shower, bath, and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use twice a week. Oh, kaya pala ito if you, I'll show you. Alright, ayan. Makita niyo ba? Ayan na. Number one, how much would this cost? The regular price for this one is $16. Ito, can I smell it? Oh, it's too sugary. ang sarap ng amoy. Parang gusto ko, I wanna eat it. But no. It's like, see? Ah.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now.
Ano na naman ang i-open natin dito? Ano ba ito? Madami na namang. Ito na naman. It's called the Damage Remedy from Aveda Daily Hair Repair. Instant visible repair. Protects from heat styling. Ayan. From heat styling pala ito. Maamoy nga natin. Let's smell it. Oh. It's okay. Not too strong. But not the best one though. And this one is, the Damage Remedy is $30. Wow, this one $30. This is when you want to straighten your hair. So put this one first before putting any kind of heat, or like if you want to do like dry your hair with a heater, use this one.
Oh, watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Ano ito? Next is this one. Okay. Humankind skincare, cruelty free. So how do you use it? I don't know. So this one is natural, no animal testing, suitable for vegans, ethically sourced, paraben free. Remember, so this is a skin moisturizer. So after you take a bath, you put this one to leave soft skin and moisturized skin. In $18.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight.
Ano next? Oh, next is a earring. Look at that earring. It's so cute. See? Diba may earring na? The wobble bar, the Farah ear crawlers is $34. So $34 for this.
We better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick.
O, di ba napag-usapan natin kamag-anak ko si Melai? Kami ay totally opposite. Melai is she has sense of humor, kikay. Ako, seryoso masyado. I don't really like talking much in front of public. I get nervous and shy and in the crowd. If I'm on stage, I get really, really shy and I don't like it. So, pero kayo ay makikita niyo ako, pero dito camera lang, so okay lang. So, at pagpasensyaan niyo ako kung masyado akong very seryoso. I'm so very seryoso. Okay, next. Uy, ano ito? This looks exciting. Orange na orange siya. Oh, orange na orange bagay sa aking damit na t-shirt. It matched with my t-shirt. So, ano kaya ito? Oy! Ay, ano nahulog? Oy! So, hair straightener pala ito. Ayan. Parang pang-fall. Okay na, pag ganyan. Kasi kulot ang buhok ko, bagay na bagay sa akin. I have curly hair, so this will, actually I already have hair straightener. But if I have a new one, it's called the Amica. So how much this cost? So, since I have this, and this will really fit perfectly. So this is the heating cream. Before you heat, you use this one. So, $80. Oh, ayan. Sidala mo ito, you can travel with it. See?
We need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me.
5 already. See? 1, 2, 3. The 4 and 5. Ano na naman kaya ito? Hala, ang cute! From cloth. Ano kaya ito? What is this? 2C. So this one is, its name, Stripe Wallet. You can use, it has 7 credit card slots, ID window, and a full-length bill compartment. This wallet is just as functional as its chip. So $60 for this. What? $60. Alright, let's open it. I like it. Oh, how do you, oh, there you go. Ayan, $60 wallet. Uy, pwede pang cheque. So there's like, you can put a lot of credit cards here. And if you have a bill, pero wala kang malagay, just credit cards. You can't. So, yan. Ito. Yan. Pwede. I like it.
I need only you here with me.
Next is the Skin Vault. What is this? Green tea toning firm pre-workout activator. So it's a gel. How to use? Before any workout, apply to trouble areas like the abs, the glutes, the thighs, the arms. Small circular motions and let the tingling begin. Oh, so kailangan pala kung mag-workout, ayan, skin. Can you see?
Close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather.
Last one. What? Only? I think this is the eye mask. Oh, I have so many eye masks, so this one doesn't really excite me. Hindi nakaka-excite. Ayan. Oh, pero pang gold. How many? There's like 6 of them. Ayan. Ayun lang. How much is this cost? The eye mask is $25.
That we should be together. It's heavy weather. We're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the
So, ayan lang. Ito lang. Hindi masyado ako excited sa na-open ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7. Ugh. Not so exciting. Oh, 8. At saka sa earring.
only need the
Sa mga kapamilya natin na gusto talagang malaman kung ano yung mga tour sa Pilipinas o kahit sa ibang bansa, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ng aking auntie si Elvies Elvies Family YouTube channel. Subscribe na.